Hi friends, today I am going to explain my cloud and DevOps project. So let's go and deep into that. So here it is my cloud and DevOps project. So it is a Ansible related project. So it is completely built on AWS. So now what I am doing is like I am creating one EC2 server in AWS. Okay. So with that EC2 server, so we know Ansible. First of all, Ansible is a configuration management tool. So in many corporates now there is most servers. So what happen is like if we download any requirements in each server, it will takes more time than we do individually. So we are going to do individually on the individual servers. We are downloading Apache 2 on one server, and we are going to download the Nginx on one server. So this sucks our time so much. So our time will be more managed when we are using Ansible. So what I am doing is like I created one EC2 server. So inside that I am creating three servers. So it is like a master slave architecture. So one master I have and two slaves are I having. So what I am doing is like this slave one and slave two have some requirements like I have to install some Apache 2 in slave one, and I have to install Nginx in slave 2. So what I am doing is like I install that Apache 2 and Nginx in slave 1 and slave 2 through master server. So I am not navigating through the slave 1 and slave 2 to install Apache 2 and Nginx. Through this master server only, I installed Apache 2 and Nginx through Ansible. So it is completely run on AWS, and this master Ansible and slave 1 slave 2. So this master configure with slave 1 and slave 2 through some SSH connection, and this SSH connection also it is configured with the Ansible. So through this Ansible it is going to download Apache 2 in slave 1 and Nginx in slave 2. So we are going to see our AWS. So now yeah, so where is my instance? So this is my AWS console here. Let's wait, guys. Yeah. So here I have three servers. Okay, three visual servers. So one is my Ansible master, and another one is my Ansible slave, and another one is my Ansible slave. So I have two slaves and I have one master. So when I connect this here now, so it is come like this. So this is my master, guys. Okay. So this is my master and this is my slave one, and this is my slave 2. So we are integrated with putty also, but I have a SSH connection in my local system, so I am using this only. So what I am doing is like I am created a playbook here. So let's see the playbook. So I am creating one playbook here. So through this playbook it is yeah, so it has some client reconnection problems. Yeah, now it is comes. So I created one directory called Ansible. So when I go to that, yeah, when I do ls. So here you see, guys. So this is play.yaml. Yeah. So here only I have my playbook. So let's go to our playbook. So YAML is like yet another markup language. So you know that Ansible is written on YAML language. So a.yaml. Yeah, this is my YAML language. So what I am doing is like I created two hosts, so slave one and slave two. So then it is like sudo command for sudo user, so it becomes yes. So in first slave I am installing Apache 2, and in second slave I install Nginx. So this is my main plan here. So and I also like write a script here. So this is like SSH. So hello.sh. So it is like the HTML file that can contain inside the web server. So So it is like slash bin bash, and it is our AWS. This is like our HTML document. So I am writing here as hello world DevOps Ansible architecture. So okay guys, when we save here now, 1 minute. So we can rearrange this HTML file with some AWS here. So it is like hello world DevOps AWS and I S1. So this is my file here. So when I save this and I go to my master, so what I am doing is like now I changed my script. So then it is automatically fits that playbook. So now I am going to write my Ansible playbook play.yum. So now it is going to create a task. So that playbook is has the place which is consist of different tasks, and that task consist of different modules. So in slave one now I install Apache 2, and slave 2 I install Nginx. So here it is one changes. So you see here, so it is one changes here because we modify the HTML documents. So now I go to my slaves and I copy that public address, and I copy this now. So it shows me Apache 2 server. So it is, I try to explain that through master, I am not going to any slave here. So this is like I am not doing anything. So through master, it can install on Apache 2 here. And we also see that through master, so it will show our nginx. So it is our slave to now. So it is slow our nginx, and we edited that script what that one.html file. So it must show, yeah, hello world DevOps Ansible architecture AWS by S1. So this is the one of the cloud and DevOps project which is used industrially. And thank you guys.